Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus are just around the corner, and just as one could expect, almost everything regarding these anticipated devices is known at this point. Come to think of, only camera samples remain to be released to the world, but we probably wouldn't have to wait for those for too long. After all, the Galaxies go official in less than 2 weeks, and we will be at the epicenter of their debut to provide you with all the necessary coverage. Now, a new benchmark entry on Geekbench seems to be giving us a sneak peek at the performance of the Exynos 9810 powered version of the Galaxy S9/S9 Plus. Surprise, surprise, with a single core score of 3,648 points and multi-core one of 8,894 points, it ekes past the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, which will power the US version of the flagships. According to a previously unearthed benchmark, the Snapdragon version scored 2,378 points on the single-core test and 8,132 points on the multi-core one. A rather big difference and a clear win for the Exynos chipset, if true of course. As a reminder, Samsung usually puts its own Exynos chipset in the international version of its flagship, while the US variants are traditionally flaunting Qualcomm's top chipset. As a rule of thumb, Exynos-powered Galaxies normally perform better and have superior battery life than their Snapdragon counterparts, and if this recent benchmark leak reaffirms at least one of these expectations, that we also hold high for the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Naturally, it should be noted right here and right now that Geekbench results could be easily faked, but we have a hunch that the Exynos 9810 performance shown in this latest leak could be real. Until we know any better, our extensive rumor roundup will give you a great insight as to what to expect from Samsung's next big things.